Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create ASP.NET Core web application in Visual Studio 2019. So when you open a Visual Studio 2019 you will see this dialog. These are my recent projects. If you don't have any project it will be empty. So if you want to create a new project you can create here, create a new project, or if you want to check out from any repository you can do it from here. But right now we are creating a new project. So let's start it. So we want to create ASP.NET application. Here you can see all the templates are here. We can create console application, we can create ASP.NET Core web application, we can create WPF app for desktop applications, and we can create class library, and we can use Azure functions. So there are so many other templates, but we are focusing on ASP.NET Core in this video. So let's search for ASP.NET Core web application. So I'm selecting this and I'm using C#, Windows, C# is the language. So you can change from here as well if you want to use other language like VB or some other language, F#. So now let's create it. So now I'm creating my project name. We will use this project for other videos as well. So let's write employee management. Let's say management. So if you want to change the solution name, you can uncheck this and you can change the solution name, so it will be different from your project name. But right now I want the same, so let's move on. So it will create ASP.NET Core application. Now it is asking me the template, that what template I want to use for my project. So I can create ASP.NET Core empty application. So as we want to start from the scratch, so I will use in this tutorial an empty template, but just quickly I explained that what are the other template is. So API template is if you want to create a new APIs, ASP.NET using ASP.NET Core. So you can create web services using this template. So you don't need UI stuff like views and JavaScript files and CSS files. So it will just create a controller folder in the project. And if you look into the web application, so this will create a web application template with the Razor pages. So we will cover this Razor pages in our upcoming videos. And here you can see there is a model view controller. So in this, if we select this template, the Visual Studio will create a model view controller and a template project, so we can run it and we can see and get the idea how the model view controller is working. So, and then we have a Razor class library, so we can create a library of Razor class. So it will use in our project if we want to use in future. And we have Angular, React, and React.js and Redux. So it's a front-end libraries that will include in the project. And if we create, so we can cover in this in our upcoming videos. So let's start with the empty template. We just uncheck the HTTPS. We don't want this, and let's start it. Okay. So you can see that the project is created, but there is no folder, nothing is there like controller or anything. So we can create from the scratch. So if I run this project, let's see how it goes. It will just create a hello world in browser. As we don't have anything in this folder, it will go to this startup. I think it's opening. Yep. So yeah, you can see it's a hello world. So this hello world is coming from this startup class. So if you go there and if I go down, so it is coming from here. So the application start from here, and this method called by runtime, use this method to configure HTTP request pipeline. So yep, see this is coming from here. So hopefully you get idea how can we create new project in ASP.NET in Visual Studio 2019.